Hi everyone! This is a little weird. I just wanted to do a little life update video because, as you can see, a lot of things have happened in the past few weeks. First and foremost, I'm finally going to get my letter of recommendation for HRT, yay! Second of all, I have finally started presenting as female, for the most part, letting out my inner butch. This has been one of the most exhilarating, exciting, terrifying experiences of my life so far. So I'm getting this letter from my therapist that basically says that according to our last few weeks of therapy, she believes that I am emotionally, physically, financially, mentally stable enough to go on hormone replacement therapy. This is huge because it's one of those things that I wasn't really expecting. You always think that something is going to happen. You're always like in that state of mind, oh, like when this happens, this is going to happen. And now it's finally happening and I'm freaking out. It's a huge change, like, obviously. So, my intake appointment is scheduled for November, but I'm on a waiting list just in case the doctor I'm trying to see has any openings that come up. Until then, I have decided I'm going to do my best to integrate my newfound gender expression with my current lifestyle. I've come out to my family, I've come out to my friends, I've come out to my co-workers, which I did not expect that to go as well as it did. That was one of the scariest parts for me. But my supervisor and all my coworkers, at least within my department, which they're the ones I usually see the most, they've been super supportive and helpful. This is actually the second day I've been to work in sort of this female presentation. Everyone has been, oh, do you want me to call you Lucy? Are you she today? So now as I'm doing this, as I'm integrating this new expression, this new look into my life, I have kind of a mixture of emotions. Number one, I feel slightly less dysphoric because I'm finally able to be pretty in the way that I want to be pretty. I'm able to go to work and be one of the girls now. It's no longer just 5 women and 1 guy, it's 6 women. Even though it's gonna take a little while for them to get used to calling me Lucy or calling me by my pronouns, I just appreciate the effort, you know? Not many people can say that they've had that kind of experience. The only strange part is the fact that just like any other woman knows, like, the first thing you want to do after a day of work is go home and take off your clothes because bras are rather constricting, and basically so is every other article of women's clothing on the market. But then I get home and when I take off my shirt, I look down and I see a hairy man belly. You guys probably didn't want to know that, but that's honestly when the dysphoria hits me. Thankfully, I have a partner who's willing to look at me and still call me pretty. So it's gonna take a little bit of getting used to. But I'm hoping that from here on out, as far as looking the way I want to look, now that I know I'm gonna have this hormone therapy, it'll get easier. Who knows? Thank you very much for watching. We'll keep you posted as things happen. Till then, please like and subscribe below if you want to see more, and have a lovely day. Bye!